Today on Frugal It Out,
we're tackling electrical work. I'm showing you how to take a sconce light fixture that's supposed to tap into the actual wall and how to connect it to a power cord until it cools off in the winter.
Hello.
And Chris can go into the attic and actually like tap it through to the light switch.
Hello.
But if for any reason you need to learn how to like connect things to a power cord, this one's for you. So the first thing you want to do is start with your light fixture. Got your ground wire. You got your hot wire, which is black, and the other one, the neutral one. I'm not an electrician, let me just say that. Then just grab an old extension cord, and you are gonna chop off this end. So let's do that. So I'm gonna cut my extension cord with scissors. All right, then you're gonna pull the two little pieces apart. So I just learned this, thank you YouTube, that you can tell which one is your hot wire and which one's your neutral. So you want to give yourself a little bit of space to work with by, check out this extension cord. You have one smooth side, that's the neutral side, and then one like rigidy side, which is the hot side, and you can trace that all the way back to here. So hot is the big one, ridgy. The smaller one's neutral, smooth. Who knew? Never paid attention. Okay, then you're gonna take your little wire cutter things. I don't know the terminology for any of this. I've wired one other thing in my lifetime, and it was a lamp. It's not caught on fire, and it still works today, thank you. It's been a couple years, so I would say I have a proven track record. Well, what are you doing, Bri? Thank you. There you go. So you're just gonna pull off about 1/4 of an inch. And then I was just reassured by my husband and by Austin that you can connect copper to aluminum without a problem when you're doing like small little fixtures like this. Now, next step, Riley's gonna assist. Can you get my nuts out of the bag? I just need one
nuts?
to start.
What are nuts?
These little orange things, they connect the wires. Wire splicers, perhaps.
One?
To start with. So remember, take your hot wire and find your hot wire. Black is hot, ridgy, hot. You're gonna start first by twisting them like this. And then you're going to finish twisting with the little cap. All the way down. All right, next I need another one, please.
These look like the top of glue box.
Yes, I do. All right, we're good. I also learned today, this little ground wire, you unscrew the little green guy, wrap it around, then screw it back in tight, and that grounds it for you. Whatever that means. I think that means you won't get electrocuted. Okay, bye for now. And there you have it. I wasn't patient enough to wait till winter to actually have them hooked to a light switch, so I'm very happy with how it turned out. One more tip. If you're too afraid to cut a table in half like I was, and you actually have a table that has a leaf in it, just take the leaf out, unscrew it, remember where you put things, and you too can have a table touching a wall. I added this little under piece. As you can tell, we hide stuff under there like cords and electronics and stuff in Broden. And then put like little felt pads against the wall so it won't scratch the wall, but like the weight of it and everything keeps it right up against the wall. Fake table cut in half.
Click subscribe below.
What, Broden?
Click subscribe below.
No, just Broden. What did you say?
I said the same thing.
What was it?
The same thing as Riley.
Well, what did she say?
I said what she said.